Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Champion Academy. Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Champion Academy. Good evening everyone, good evening. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Today we are going to discuss one model paper, Maths model paper. Share with your friends. Ask your friends to join. His voice is clear? Do comment. Try to comment, okay? Hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Now look at here. Part B. Here given the perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0 comma 4, 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0. Three vertices given of a triangle. We have to find the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but length of the boundary. Okay. If we draw here a triangle, okay. So if it is 0 comma 0, here it is a B point. Okay. If you take here one more point, that is 0 comma 4, A point, and here it is a 3 comma 0. Okay. So if you take here 0 to here, this distance we take 4, and here 0 to this distance we take, this is a 3. So what is asking? Perimeter means length of the boundary. If it is a right angle triangle, okay, if it is a right angle triangle, so it is a, what is a, this side will become, this side will become 5. Okay. So for perimeter is nothing but here length of the boundary, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5. So how much we are getting? 9, 12. So that is 12. Our perimeter is 12. That is B option. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay. Do like, share and subscribe. Ask your friends to join. In second question, look at. Second question is asking, is the questions are visible? If we take only question, second question, okay, just look at the second question. Okay, in this question quadratic equation is given, that is, what is the quadratic equation? X square plus kx plus 9 is equal to 0, having equal roots. Equal roots. What is the condition for equal roots? Equal root condition is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So it is the condition for equal roots. Okay. So here we know already general form for quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, by this we can say a value is equal to 1, b value is equal to k, okay, c value is equal to 9. Okay, so మనకి ఇచ్చిన quadratic equation ప్రకారం ఈక్వల్ రూట్స్ కండిషన్ ఏముంది? ఈక్వల్ రూట్స్ ఈ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్కి. సో ఈక్వల్ రూట్స్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద కండిషన్? బీ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ జనరల్ ఫార్మ్ ఈజ్ ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. So from this, by this comparing these two equation, we can get a is equal to 1, b is equal to k, c is equal to 9. So substitute this value in this equal roots. Okay, so what is that? B is k square minus 4, a value is 1, into b, c value is 9, c value is 9 right here is equal to 0. If we take k square minus 4 into 1 into 9, how much we are getting? 36 is equal to 0. So k we can write k square is equal to 36. Then k value is equal to 6 square. It is plus or minus 6. Plus or minus 6. So what is the option is there here? Option C, that is minus 6. So two roots will be there. one is a plus 6, one is a minus 6. So in option minus 6 is there. So we are taking C option is our correct answer. Okay. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Next question, we are going to next question. Okay. Next question here. Sin theta value is given. What is the sin theta? If you take triangle here, just to take triangle 1. If you take triangle, right angle triangle, okay. So if you take here sides, here A, it is B, it is C. Okay, sin theta, if you are taking theta is at angle C. If you are taking theta, sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side here? It is AB. AB by hypotenuse is AC. So sin theta it is given. AB how much it is? 3. Their ratio. AC is 5. If it is a right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem we can get this side also. Okay. But what he is asking in this? Is asking cos theta. Okay. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is AB by BC. AB by BC. Here AB is 3 and BC is 4. Then cos theta is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If anyone asking, if tan theta asking means what is that tan theta? You can take the ratio of sin theta by cos theta. Otherwise direct you can take, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. So what is the tan theta value? What is the tan theta value here? Adjacent, that is 4 and 5. 4 by 5. Okay. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope this is going to help you. Okay. Next question. We are going to next question. You look at the next question. Next question is, which among the following is in AP? Okay, which of the following is in AP? Okay, AP means we already know general form. For AP, for general form AP is, terms are there, A1, A plus D, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D and goes on, A plus N minus 1 D you will get. Okay, that is last term is A plus N minus 1 D. It is the last term. So here difference is, it is the first term. Look at here. Here first term is A1 we are taking. Second term we are taking A2. Third term we are taking A3. N minus 1. It is the last term in AP. Here the fixed difference is D. That is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to a4 minus a3 and so on. To identify the any one, you have to do the difference. Okay, you can do all options here. Do difference for first option, what we are getting. If we do the difference for the first option, what we are getting. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. First option is given. First is 0. First is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So first term, if difference, what is the difference here? Minus 1, minus 0. It is minus 1. Again, minus 2, minus 1. So if you do this one, minus 2, minus into minus become, it is plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Difference is same. If you take one more term, that is minus 3 minus, okay, minus 3 here, minus 2. If we take here minus, it is become minus 3, minus into minus become plus 2, it is equal to minus 1. So difference is fixed one here, all term are getting the difference. Okay, so difference fixed means it is in AP only. First option is in AP. But what is the question? Which of the following is not? Is asking which of the following is not in AP. So look at second option, look at B option, what is given. If we take difference here, a2 minus a1, that is x minus y, again minus x plus y given. If we solve here, x minus y, again minus x, again minus y. Okay, here how much you are getting? It is plus x minus y, x cancel. So minus x minus y minus y. How much you are getting? Minus 2y. If we take one more term, that is a3 minus a2. So that is x minus 3y minus x minus y. How much you are getting? X minus 3y minus into plus is minus x, minus into minus plus, so that is y. If you do here same thing, what you are getting, this x plus x minus x is 0, minus 3x plus minus 3y plus y. How much we are getting? That is minus 2y. So here difference is same here and here. So it is also in B option, also in AP only. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. Okay, look at the option C. Look at the option C. If we look at here option C, what is there? So that is minus 2 minus 1. How much you are getting? Minus 2 plus 1. It is minus 1 you are getting. Again minus 3 minus 2. If you do minus, we are getting again minus 1. Okay, here also minus 1, here also minus 1. If you do minus 4 minus 3, again we are getting minus 1 only. So this is also in AP. So which is the last option? That is D. Okay, if you want, you can do and verify that. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, next question, we are going to next question. Hello everyone, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. here the if the ratio of height of the tower and length of its shadow, okay, on ground is root 3 to root 3 is to 1, then angle of elevation of the sun is angle of elevation asking he is given the ratio of height height of the tower to length of the shadow. So the ratio, what is the ratio here? The ratio is height of the tower to L, that is given root 3 by root 3 is to 1. If you take, if it is your tower, okay, and your shadow is getting somewhere here, likewise, okay, so angle of elevation asking is angle of elevation, okay, so angle of elevation means it is angle when we are looking from down to up, it is the angle of elevation, okay. So height is this one, height is equal to how much, root 3, and length is length of the shadow, length of the shadow on the ground, that is 1, so it is a shadow, it is a 1, okay. Then what is the angle here, is I asking angle here. So what is this, if you take tan theta, that is opposite by adjacent. Look at here, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to opposite by cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, hypotenuse cancel, that is opposite by adjacent, that is opposite is root 3 by root 1. Now tell, now tan theta, where you are getting root 3 value, it is tan theta is root 3 means theta value is equal to 60 degrees, okay, we know already this is, okay, so that is 60 degrees, option C, okay. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ask your friends to join. I hope this video will going to help you this class. Next question, look at answer. Try to answer for this question. Try to answer for this question. Everyone, try to answer for this question. Comment your answer. Triangle ABC minus it is similar triangle actually. That is minus not. It is a similar triangle. Okay. That symbol is for similar triangle. Try to comment answer. Is audio is clear? Voice clarity unda? Try to comment. Try to comment. Comment your answer. Here it is a similar triangle question actually. Okay. If you take here triangle ABC and triangle. So this is similar triangle. Here angle A is given. Here angle A. If you take here A, B, C. Here angle A it is 45 degrees. Okay, next angle DEF. Okay, in similar triangle corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so if you take here angle A given, angle E given, it is 75 degrees. Then asking angle C, here this angle asking angle C. Similar triangle law corresponding angles are equal. So here angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. That is 75 degrees. No, it is 75 degrees. So we already know sum of the angle in a triangle is equal to 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B 45 degrees plus 75 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So angle C is equal to 180 minus how much you are getting? It is 80 plus 40, 120 degrees. So angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so our option is C. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, I hope you people are understanding. Do like, share and subscribe. Is the screen is clearly visible? Do comment. Okay, try to comment. I hope the screen is clearly visible. Next question. So this one over now. Here for this question, option is D option. Okay. D angle 60. Hi, hello everyone. Do like, share and subscribe. Okay. Next question, look at. In the rational form of terminating decimal, the number of primes of denominator. What is the denominator should be? If any number in p by q form, rational number, it is terminating. How we will write that one? If p by q form, this theorem is there, that is p by q. Q should be in power 2 power n and 5 power m. These are non-negative integers. M and n are the m comma n are the non-negative integers. Okay, that is non-negative integers. So our denominator should be p by 2 power n into 5 power m. So if this is there means it is a terminating decimal. Okay, terminating decimal number. If any, for example 5 by 125 is given, we can also write this one 5 by 125 into 8. If we multiply numerator and denominator with the 8 5s are 40 by 1000 we are getting. So this 0 cancel, 4 by 100 means 0.04. It is a terminating decimal. So our answer is 0.04 for example. Okay, so it should be both, denominator should be both 2 and 5. Okay, do comment. Good evening. Chandrasekhar only. Next question, look at here the probability question. It is very simple question. I hope you know already. Okay, if E and E are E bar, it is a complementary. Here E bar is there. Okay, E bar are the complementary event in a random experiment. No, which question doubt? Chandrasekhar. Which question doubt is there? Here complementary means we already know in probability P of E plus P of E complementary E bar, that is equal to 1. So P of E bar is given, then P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar. So that is 1 minus 0.3. How much you are getting? 0.7. LMR model paper 1. Page number, can you tell? Page number. Just wait for a minute. Page number. Model paper, LMR model paper 1. Model paper 1. Which question? Page number 94. Which question? Question number. You want model paper 1 question explanation. Wait for a minute. That is the write the formula for sum of first n terms in arithmetic progression and explain each term. That only. Model paper question paper 1. I am looking, it is a page number. Page number. Model paper 1. No. One 116. Okay, model paper this 11th one. That find the dimension of rectangle whose perimeter is 36 and whose area is 65 centimeter square. That only. Find the dimension of rectangle. Okay, once look at, I will explain. So here the given dimension of rectangle, if you take here What is given? Given that, okay, perimeter is given for a rectangle. Perimeter is called 36 centimeter and area is called 65 centimeter square. Okay, it is given that. So we already know rectangle perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B. Okay, rectangle perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So here perimeter, you take this as a 36 is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, if you do cancellation here, 2 ones are 2, 18. So 18 is equal to L plus B you are getting. Okay, by this. So area formula we already know. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Okay, we know area here. This one make L or B. You take L is equal to 18 minus B. Okay, substitute this L in this area equation. Okay, so here it is 65 is equal to how much you are getting? Length 18 minus B into B. This step understand? Then next what you will do? 65 is equal to 18B minus B square. Now this one you can write that in quadratic equation B square minus 18B. Okay, if you take this side, B square minus 18B plus 65 is equal to 0. Okay, now 65, how you will write 65? You have to divide this. When we are writing 65 means you have to divide into two parts, P and Q, this 65. When you are multiplying, you should get 65. When you are adding them, you should get PQ. Multiplying, you should get 65. P plus Q. When you are adding them, you have to get minus 18B. Okay, this is the concept here. Are you there, Chandrasekhar? Next, here how will write this one? So look at 65. If you take here 65, how will write? 13 5s, we can write 65. So we have to write this B square minus 18 means minus 13B minus 5B. When you are adding, you should get 18. Okay, when you are adding this 2, you should get minus 18. Here minus 13B minus 5B, you are getting 18B. Yeah? Next step, what you have to do? 65 here plus 65. When you are multiplying, minus 13 minus 13 minus 5, minus into minus plus 13 13B into 5B, you are getting 65B square. Okay, this step understand? So from this 2 you take B common, from this 2 take 5 common. If you take B outside, here B minus 13, again minus 5. If you take B minus 13 only there, this understand? From this I am taking B outside, that is a B left over here, minus 13. Again from here I am taking minus 5 common, minus 5 here B and minus 13. So what we are getting? Minus 5, B minus 5 and B minus 13. Okay, so we can make this B is equal to 5 and B is equal to 13. Both are correct. Okay, again if you take b is 5, if you are taking b is 5, then your length will be, find from this equation, because we already know area perimeter from this. L into b, how much is there? L into b is equal to 65. If you are taking b as a 5, then L is equal to 65 by 5, that is 12. 5 ones are 5 12s are. Okay, L is equal to 12 meters. If you are taking b is equal to, if you are taking b is equal to 13 centimeter, then what is the L? L is equal to 65 by 13. So that is 5 meters. Okay. So actual length will be more. For rectangle length will be more, no? Then you can simply consider this one only. 12 centimeter is your length. L is equal to 12 centimeter and width is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Understand, Chandrasekhar, this one? This one understand? Very easy question only. Okay. I hope screen is visible clearly. Next question. Next, in that model paper, that two dice are rolled simultaneously and sum of the numbers appearing on them is noted. Find the probability of getting 11. It is a perfect square. 18th problem, mode of the data. Find the mode of the following data. The question is not visible for you. Okay. You don't want question, Chandrasekhar, here? You want question? Here look at, if you have LMR, the question number is given. What is class interval? Class interval is, if you take here class interval, what is given, that is 0 to 10, 0 to 10, again 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 it is. Okay. Class interval 0 to 20 there. So it is frequency F is given 3, 16, 26, 31 and 16, 8. First you have to identify highest frequency which is there, that is we have to take. Okay, highest frequency, model class interval with highest frequency. Model class you have to take highest frequency which is there here 31. So that one you have to consider that as a F. Okay, this is a F1. For this, before preceding value you have to take as a F0. After value, successor value you have to take as a F2. So first write the formula, mode formula. Mode is equal to, what is the formula? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Again multiply with h. H is nothing but height of the class. Okay, this one understand? So L is nothing but lower boundary of the model class. So what is the lower boundary of the model class? That is 30. F1 is highest frequency, that is 31. F1 preceding frequency, F0. F0 is the preceding frequency. Okay, that is how much preceding frequency? 26. Next F2, it is successor of the frequency, that is 16. Next, what you required? L over H. H is the class interval, difference of class interval means class size, that is 20 minus 10. You are getting 10. H is equal to 10. Now substitute this value in there. L is 30 plus what is there? F1. F1 is 31. 31 minus F0 26 by 2 into F1, that is 31. 2 into 31 minus F0 is 26 minus F1. F2 is 16. Here do this calculation 10. Easy only. Formula you have to remember. Okay, first remember the formula and identify highest frequency. In mode you have to find model frequency, that is highest one. Which is highest there, that only you take. For that lower frequency, lower boundaries, L is the lower boundary of the model class. Okay, lower boundary here, that is the lower, 40 is the upper boundary. Okay, so if you take here 30 plus 31 minus 6, we are getting 5 by here it is 62 minus 26 minus 26 minus 16, how much we are getting? Minus 42, I think. Minus 42 we are getting into 10. So 30 plus 5 by 62 minus 42, how much you are getting? 20 only into 10. If you do cancellation here, how much you are getting? 10 ones are 10, 2s are. So how much you are getting? 5 by 2 means it is 2.5. 30 plus 2.5. So that is mode of the class 32.5. So it is mode. Understand? This one. Okay. 32.5. I hope you understand. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Try to do comment. Okay. If you do comment only, I can get here whether you are understanding or not. అర్థమైందా? Next is there any question in that only? That construction of triangle AB is given 6 centimeter, AC is given 6 centimeter, BC is given 8. Construct another triangle similar to ABC whose sides are 2/3 time of corresponding sides of ABC. Compulsory question, this kind of question. Okay. From statistics, anyone compulsory. Okay, if you are doing mistake also, nothing will happen. Just remember the formula and do the process same. Okay, take here which is you have to take F1, which is you have to take F0, which is you have to take F2. Okay, that 17th problem. Okay, 16th problem, sum of radius of the base and height of solid right circular cylinder is 37. 16th one. What is given? Sum of radius of base and height of solid right circular cylinder. Okay. Wait, I will write given data. Okay. What is given here? Sum of radius of base and height of solid right circular cylinder only. Okay. Look at, if you take here cylinder. Okay. R plus height. R plus height, how much given it is? 37 centimeter it is given. Means sum told means sum of base, radius of the base. Here radius, how much you are getting? This R. It is the height. Okay. Height of the solid circular cylinder, right circular cylinder, is 37. If the total surface area is given, what is the total surface area? Total surface area of cylinder, that is 1628 centimeter square. Okay. Now next, find the volume of cylinder. You have to find volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, what is the formula? Volume of cylinder. First to find the area of the circle. Okay. Area of circle into height, you will get volume of cylinder. So area of circle is nothing but pi r square. Pi r square is area of the circle down and multiply with the height. It is a formula for area of the volume of the cylinder. Okay. Now next, what is asking is given r plus h is 37. So by this we can get total surface area given. What is the total surface area formula? Total surface area formula, TSA, total surface area of cylinder. So that is 2 pi r, 2 pi r plus h. Okay. So here total surface area is 1628 is equal to 2 into pi value you take 22/7. R we don't know. Okay. It is R and r plus h given here. R plus h. Look at here. It is understanding r plus h value is 37. Okay. If you take all this value left hand side, r is equal to how much you are getting? R is equal to how much? 1628 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 37. Okay. Try to solve this with tables only. Okay. 1628, we can do cancellation with 11 table. If you try once, 11 2 11 1 11, 50 is there, 11 4 44. Here how much? 52 minus 44. How much you are getting? 12 is 8. 8 means 88 only. So 8, 148. Okay, we are getting. If you do cancellation, 11 2 11, 148 you are getting. Okay. Then again this 2 is there. Again into 2 there na, 2 1 2 7 2 4 ja. Okay, so here it is over. Again 2 there na, 2 1 2 3 7. Okay, 37 is cancelled. Then r is equal to how much? Look at, if you do here cancellation 11 2 ja, cancellation do with very care. Look at 11 2 ja, 11 1 4 8 you will get here if you do cancellation. Okay, again do with 2 table only. Here this 2 ones are 2 74. Again do with that this 2 ones are 237. Here 37 is there. Okay, this 37 ones are 37 ones are. So what is left over here? Only 7. So r is 7. If r is 7 means r plus h is equal to 37. Then what is the h value? H is equal to 37 minus r. So h is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, what is the asking in the question? Then find the volume. Volume we already wrote here the formula. Pi you take, volume is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 7. R is 7 means 7 into 7. Height is 30. Here do cancellation here. This 7 on the 7 on. Again 7 into 3. 7 into 3 how much? 7 3 is 21. 22 into 210. So 21 2 is 42. 2 here 4 carry over you take. 21 2 is 42 again. 42 plus this 4. 46. 46 this 0 there. There. 44620 centimeter cube. It is volume. Understand this one? Once check whether you understand or not. Comment. This one understand or not understand? (21). What is that 21? Only 18 questions are there. If you want, I will explain again. Okay. Steps remember. What we have to do, we have to that only. Okay. Next. Do like, share and subscribe. Next question number. That prove that 3 root 5 plus 7 is irrational number. 13th problem. Once see. Easy questions only come. Okay, practice whatever you know, you do well. Okay. Again, which problem? Try to comment. Try to comment. Comment next. Which question you want explanation? Prove that. Here the one of the most important question. Prove that 3 root 5 plus 7 is irrational number. Okay, first let assume 3 root 5 plus 7 is rational number. Okay, in first step you have to assume it is a rational number. So rational number we can write 3 root 5 plus 7. So it is equal to, we can write a by b, because we are going to write rational number in p by q form. So here do square on the both side, do square on both side. Okay, so what we are getting, 3 root 5 plus 7 whole square is equal to a by b whole square. It is in a plus b whole square formula, we already know. Try to write formulas also beside. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this one we can write 3 root 5 whole square plus 7 square plus 2. A means 3 root 5, b means 7. Okay, is equal to a square by b square also we can write. So it is become 9 into 5 plus 49 plus, here this one you can write 2 3 are 6, 6 7 are 42, 42 root 5 is equal to a square by b square. So 9 5 are 45, 45 plus 49 plus 4 root 42, 42 root 5 is equal to a square by b square. So 49 plus 45, how much you are getting? 94. If you take that 94 that side, it will become 42 root 5 is equal to a square by b square minus 94. So this one you can write 42 root 5 is equal to a square minus 94 b square by b square. No, we know that a square minus 94 by b square is rational number. ఓకే, అంటే ఈ స్టెప్ తర్వాత ఇట్ ఈస్ అ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ పీ బై క్యూ ఫార్ములా దేర్. సో వీ కెన్ సే 42 root 5 is also a rational number. Okay, but here contradict rise. Okay, but our assumption is wrong. We know that root 5 is irrational number. So 42 root 5 also a irrational number. Okay, understand this one? Once try to look at here, make it easy. First we have to assume it is a rational number. Then make 3 root 5 plus 7 is equal to a by b in p by q form. In second step, do square on the both side. Okay, do calculate exact what is there, careful. Then what we are getting, 42 root 5 is equal to a square b square minus 94. Then 42 root 5 is equal to a square minus 94 b square by b square. So it is an rational number, we know it is in p by q form, means it is a rational number. So we can say 42 root 5 also rational number, but our assumption is wrong. We know that root 5 is irrational number. So 42 root 5 is irrational number. So 3 root 5 also, 3 root 5 plus 7 also irrational number. Okay, hence proved. From the quadratic equation, draw the graph for the polynomial. That is also important. Okay. In 4 marks question asking mean, mode, median formulas with their explanation. Explain their terms. Okay. Chandrasekhar, are you there? Next, here the one important question also, look at here. Here, if the area of the area of triangle found by joining point a x y b 3 comma 2 c minus 2 4. Okay, the area of the triangle is 10 centimeter square units. Okay, you take units are not given, square units, 10 square units. Okay, now next, what is there we have to find? Then show that you have to show that 2x plus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0, we have to show. Okay, we already know the triangle formula, that is 1 by 2. Area triangle formula, that is 1 by 2 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3. Okay, in their places you substitute the values. Okay, try to comment. Okay, Otherwise you can also write this 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Okay, is equal to 0. You have to make is equal to how much it is area given, you take, that is 10. Here also area given. So if you do here, this 2 ones are 2. If you take this to that side, it will become 20. Okay, if it is dividing means if you take right side, it will going to divide. Here substitute x1, what is given, x only given, x you take x1 only. Here next to y2 what is the value, 2. Here 2 minus y3, that is 4. Again plus x2, what is the value, x2 minus 2, that is minus 2 y3 what is there, wait, x2 value is 3. Here it is 3 y3, that is 4 minus y1, that is y. Again plus x3 what is the value, that is minus 2. Again what you are getting, y1 minus y2. Y1 how much is there, y minus y2 that is 2 here is equal to 10. Okay, 10 into 2 you take, that is you take that is equal to 10 into 2. Okay, if you multiply here, how much you are getting, x into 2 is minus 4 there, 2 minus 4. So we are getting minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x. Again 3 4 the 12 plus 12 minus 3y. Again if you solve here, minus into plus, minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 to the 4 is equal to 20. Here x value how many there, only 2, minus 2x plus 12 here it is 2x, it is 12. What is the mistake is there, once look at here, wait for a minute, we'll do again. Here maybe calculation confusion is there. Here look at x in, it is minus 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. If you do here, it is plus 12 minus 3y. Again minus 2y minus into minus plus 4 is equal to 20. Okay, if you take here, it is minus 2x plus 12 minus 3y minus 2y, that is minus 5y. Here this 12 plus 4, it is 16. Okay, you take, that is a 16 is equal to 20. So next to what you are going to do, if you take this that side, 2x plus 5y plus 20 minus 16, so 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 5y 20 minus 16, that is plus 4 is equal to 0. Hence proved, we have to show that only. Once look at this equation and this equation we got, so hence we can write here. Hence proved. Hello everyone, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Try to like, okay. Next question, look at here. Now this question is visible. Try to do like, share and comment, okay. Here the common difference of arithmetic progression is A25. It is given that here in the question what is given? A25 minus A12, that is minus 15. You have to find D. D means A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. This one we have to find. So he didn't given the direct, but we can do here. A25, how will write? A25 is equal to A plus 24D. Again A12, how will write? A plus 11D. If we do minus here, we want A25 minus A12. How much you are getting? If you do minus, here minus, it is also minus. So A cancel, it is 0. Then 24D minus 11D. How much you are getting? 13D. 13D. This 13D is equal to minus 52. It is given in the question. This only. A25 minus A12, that is minus 52. Okay, here it is 52. A25 minus A12 is minus 52. So it is equal to 52. Then D is equal to minus 52 by 13. How much? 13 4 jana? 13 1 ja, 13 4 ja. So that is minus 4. Minus 4 option is there? There. Yes, that is a B. B answer. Okay. Understand? I hope you understanding. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Try to do comment. Next question, we are going to look at the next question. Is the voice is clear? Here this question is there. If you look at here, from the given OG curve, the value of median of data, you have to find median of the given data. Okay, median is nothing but in OG curve we will use to find median of the given information. Okay, so if you look at here, if you observe here, x-axis is there, here curve is up to 30 there, so n value is 30. Okay, so if you draw the curve n by 2 value is median. Okay, that is 15. For this horizontal axis, that is 15, and vertical, that is you are getting 30. So where it is intersecting on horizontal axis, that we have to take median. In OG curve, where it is intersecting on horizontal axis, that is 30. So our median is 30. Okay, option D is the correct one only. Okay, thank you. Do like, share and subscribe. I hope you are understanding. We will go to next problems. Wait for a minute, wait for a while. Now look at for this question. A pair of linear equation is given. Okay, two equations are given. We have to find that pair of linear where it is consistency, inconsistency depending on that. So we know that a1 here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, b1 by b2. Look at, means it is consistent. Okay, one more condition, a1 by a2 is equal b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is also consistent. a1 by it is inconsistent. Next, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. It is consistent and lines are parallel. Okay, here two lines are, it is parallel. These two lines are coinciding. Okay, here in this these two lines are coinciding, means above one line means in the same line you are getting one more line, on the same line only you are getting one more line. Okay, the points will be coincide. So that is there. So if you look at here, a is given from this equation. First equation, what is given? 2x minus y is equal 4. Second equation, 4x minus 2y is equal 6. So right here, a1 what is given? a1 is equal to b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to 4, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to 6. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, do like, share and subscribe. I hope you people are understanding. Here we have to find ratio of the that one. Okay, this formula. Okay, what is given? It is a1 is 2, 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 is equal to 4 by 6. If you do ratios here, 2 1s are 2 2s are here, 1 by 2 only it is, minus minus get cancelled, means here 2 2s are 2 3s are, so this is not equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Then what is the formula? It is inconsistent. So that is the inconsistency. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Do comment, try to comment. If you have any problem, ask me. Do comment, I will try to explain. Okay, next, shall we go for next problem? Here, look at the next problem. The nature of the real roots. For this, the nature of the real roots. What is the condition for real roots? Try to comment. Try to comment. Condition for real roots. Hello everyone. Condition for the real roots. There are three conditions are there. So if you look at here, first condition, p square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, if it is greater than 0, what you will get? Two roots, real and unequal roots. If it is greater than 0, you will get two roots, that is real and unequal. One more, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is two equal roots, real and equal. Okay, real and equal roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, so no roots, no roots, not real, means you will get imaginary. So for this condition, if you draw the first condition, graph will be, here you are getting two real roots, means you are getting the graph is likewise. Okay, for second condition graph, it is two equal, means it is coincide on x-axis at only one point, any one point. For third axis, it won't intersect, either it will come upside, either it will come downside. This upward parabola will depends on a value. If a is greater than 0, it is a positive, the parabola will come upward. Okay, they will ask in bits, it depends on a value. Okay, if a value is negative, means your parabola will show downward facing. Okay, next, try to comment. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Here it is a very easy question only. For try to answer for this question. Here 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, x 6. If the mode of the data is 3, direct mode given. What is the mode? Most frequently occurring data. Mode is given. Hello everyone, do like, share and subscribe. Here the mode is equal to 3, it is given. From this we write first 2, how many times repeating? Here 1 time, 2 time. You write here 2, 2, 2. Again 3, 1, 2, 2 there. So 3 2 times. Next 4 only 1 time. 5 only 1 time. 6 only 1 time. And x is there. So mode is given. Mode means most frequently occurring data. Which number is repeating more number of time. So by this if you take by, it is not a bimodal data. So mode is 3 given means 2 times there, 2 times there, 3 2 times there, here one more x there. If you want mode is 3, so you have to repeat 3 is the more number of times. So if you take x is equal to 3, then it is the mode, then x value is 3 only. Okay, I hope this is also understand. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, we will go to the next problem. Understand? If you are not understanding, try to do comment, I will explain. Okay, which problem you required, I will try to explain. Next problem, look at. Try to read question. Try to read. Do like, share and subscribe. Try to read. Side of a cube and diameter of a sphere are equal. For a side of cube side and diameter of the sphere is equal. Means side. If you take side is a. Okay, this a is equal to diameter of a square sphere. This both are equal. Side of a cube and diameter of a cube sphere both are equal, then find the ratio of volume to volumes. Okay, volume of cube, so you have to find volume of cube to volume of sphere, volume of cube to volume of sphere. Volume of cube formula is a into a cube by, for volume of sphere is pi by 6 d cube. Okay, here a cube is nothing but a cube and d cube both are equal, so we can write a cube by pi by 6 a cube. Okay, so this a cube get cancelled, this 6 will come upward, 6 by pi, so ratio is 6 is to pi. So which option is there? That is B. I hope you understand. If you are not understanding, once try to do comment, I will explain one more time. The answer is 6 is to pi. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Shall we go for next problem? Try to comment. Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. If you have any previous doubt, once look at. Okay, the condition will be asking b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means you will get two distinct roots. Distinct is nothing but different roots. Okay, if b square minus 4ac means you will get two real roots and equal. B square minus 4ac less than 0 means you will get imaginary roots, no real roots. You can say no real roots. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. Okay, next. Hello everyone, do like, share and subscribe. If you are the class 10th, like, share and subscribe. Ask your friends to join. If you have any question doubt, I will try to explain. If you comment the question number, okay, I will try to explain. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. Now try this problem. I will give one more problem here. Here you have to write decimal form. For this number decimal form. Try to comment your answer. Try to comment. It is very easy. In bits it is very easy. We have to make either denominator in terms of 10, 20, 10, 100 and 1000, which is possible here 3 by 4 means we can make the denominator equal to 10 or 20 or 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, so 3 by 4 means here we can make denominator equal to 100. So to make denominator is equal to 100, what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator and denominator with the 25. So 4 into 25 is 100, 3 into 25 is 75. So we are getting 75 by 100. 75 by 100 is nothing but we can write in decimal form, that is 0.75. So which option is correct? Try to do comment. Try to do comment. Okay, fast. We will go to the next problem. Okay, that is 0.75 answer. So which question that is? A option is correct. For this question A is the correct. Okay, next we'll go to next problem. Do like, share and subscribe. Okay, among the following vertices, which of the following points are the vertices of equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means we have to find the distance between the three sides. AB side we have to find, then again BC side and CA side. What is the formula for a distance formula in coordinate geometry? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, what is the formula for distance? Distance formula, if you are finding AB distance between AB that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Okay, distance formula. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. For daily regular classes, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So here 3 points given means first to find for equilateral triangle all three sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, then only it will become a equilateral triangle. You have to satisfy this equation. Okay, try to do comment. First to find AB distance, then second find BC distance, then find CA distance. Okay, try to comment for these questions. Okay, I hope you understanding. Next what is the question? Shall we go for next question? Try to do comment for this question. Try to do comment. Okay, if you comment, if you want explanation, do comment, I will explain. Okay, next we will go to the next problem. Try to answer the question. Okay, here in a triangle ABC with angle A is 90 from A, perpendicular to AD is drawn on BC. Which of the following is not correct? Which of the following is not correct? He is asking. Try to comment answer. Try to comment. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. You want explanation? Do comment. If you want explanation, do comment for this. Okay. I hope this going to help you. I hope this is going to help you. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Try to answer the question. Try to answer the question. Try. 72. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. Do like, share, and subscribe. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degrees from A, and perpendicular AD is drawn on BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Which of the following is not correct? Try to do comment. Try to do comment. Hello everyone. Do like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Try to answer the question. Try to answer the question. Okay. Everyone, do share with your friends. Ask your friends to join. Hello everyone, do like, share, and subscribe. Try to answer the question. If you want explanation, comment. Comment. Try to comment. If you want regular explanation, do comment. Hello everyone. Answer your comment. Comment your answer. Comment your answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope this is going to help you. Okay. Try to answer. Answer. Try to answer. Okay, thank you for watching.